Stop carrying bulky, useless junk. If your everyday carry feels more like a burden than a benefit, you're doing it wrong. In 2026, the best EDC gadgets are all about maximum utility in a minimalist footprint. Today, we're counting down 20 cool EDC gadgets and accessories that are actually worth your money. From tactical wallets with built-in tracking to the most compact multi-tools and survival gear ever designed, these are the everyday carry essentials that will simplify your life and prepare you for anything. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a survivalist, you won't want to miss number 10. Let's dive in. Experience natural flight reinvented with Bionic Bird the Swift, where engineering meets the freedom of the skies. Designed for pure flight performance, it delivers a 31 km/h top speed for thrilling outdoor runs and a 3.5 km/h stable slow flight for smooth indoor gliding. With sensor assistance plus smartphone and joystick control, flying is effortless for beginners and pros alike. Its unbreakable body ensures durability, while night flight capability extends the adventure after dark. Perfect for indoor arenas or open parks, the Swift is used for immersive, realistic RC bird flight anywhere. What harms your health the most? Not the donut, the chair. The Arch Wearable walking simulator is designed for stillness, tackling inactivity without leaving your seat. Using walking cycle technology, it simulates natural steps 60 times per minute, helping boost circulation and activate muscles during long sitting hours. Powered by precision micro-actuation and predictive ML analytics, it delivers real-time insights through its app. Lightweight and wireless, Arch fits in your bag and works anywhere, at work, travel, or home, used to support circulation, reduce sedentary strain, and bring movement back to modern life. Detail work demands real precision, not bulky tools that overdo it. The Hozo design Neosander is a mini-electric reciprocating detail sander built for real detail work, delivering 13,000 SPM linear motion with tight controlled precision. Its vertically mounted motor drives direct strokes, no gears, no rods, just efficient straight-line sanding. With adjustable stroke length, sand and saw in one functionality, and a cordless design, it's essential for 3D printing, model modification, resin crafts, woodcraft, metalwork, jewelry, PCB modding, and furniture detailing. Fast, smooth, and perfectly controlled. Dinner shouldn't feel like a guessing game. The Gambit AI Sous Chef is an AI device that mounts above your stove, watches your food, tracks heat and timing, and gives real-time voice guidance. When you're tired or distracted, it becomes essential, seeing what's happening on the pan, reading recipes, and telling you exactly when to flip, stir, or lower the heat. With thermal sensing and apps connectivity, it keeps meals on track. Used for everyday cooking, from steak to pasta, Gambit helps you cook better, safer, and stress-free. Fitness should fit your life, not the other way around. The Pavo Foldable Pilates Reformer is intelligent, lightweight Pilates gear from Pavo Fitness that saves space. Work out anytime, anywhere, on your terms. Designed for modern living, it delivers studio-quality performance at home with a 5-second setup and compact foldable design. Adjustable resistance cords, smart tracking sensors, and guided workouts through the app personalize every session. Used for strength, flexibility, and core training, Pavo helps you train smarter, track progress, and stay consistent. No studio required. AI Magic. Alive in a frame. The Vinabot AI talking frame transforms memories into living moments. Instead of silent photos, you get photos come alive, and conversation powered by voice cloning, custom personality and intelligence, and 40+ language support. This isn't a video loop, it's real-time interaction with personal stories that feel warm and human. With an anti-glare IPS display and emotion-responsive AI, Vinabot stores multiple personas and memories in one frame. Used for preserving family stories, interactive keepsakes, and meaningful connections, it brings your personal memory to life anytime. Unleash portable power without limits. The Shargeek Power Beast delivers 300 watts maximum total output and 140 watts maximum input, packed inside a premium transparent and aluminum body with matte silver CNC aluminum curves. This airline-safe 24,000 mAh powerhouse features DIY RGB light bars and an upgraded smart display for total control. Compact as a soda can, it charges laptops, drones, projectors, and small gadgets safely with low current mode. Built with advanced full-tab battery technology, it's designed for high-performance travel, creative work, and reliable everyday power anywhere. Step into a screen that moves with you. The Vizo Z1 Pro AR glasses are the lightest and brightest wearable display, weighing just 63 grams yet projecting a stunning 160-inch projection in Full HD with 120 Hz smoothness. With 6,000 nits, greater than or equal to 98% color gamut, 47.5 degrees field of view, and seamless 2D or 3D switching, visuals feel vivid and immersive anywhere. Designed with a sleek, frameless look and support for Steam 5R, they're essential for cinematic gaming, movies, and productivity, transforming how you work, watch, and play on the go. Craving powerful blends without the bulk? The Beast Mega Countertop. Blender delivers best-in-class blending performance with a fine-tuned 1,200 watts motor and a smooth 60-second hands-free blending cycle. Designed for health-focused kitchens, it easily handles smoothies, shakes, sauces, dips, soups, and even blends ice and frozen fruit effortlessly. Featuring an XL vessel with extra vessels and a straw system, it lets you blend, sip, and go. Dishwasher-safe components and simple one-button control make it perfect for quick meals, nutritious drinks, and everyday convenience. Elevate your toaster game with the Revolution Toastie Press, designed to conveniently toast delicious grilled cheeses, quesadillas, and paninis right in your toaster. Perfect for chefs and foodies, this innovative gadget transforms breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack time with expertly grilled results every time. Its clamshell design with magnetized closure keeps melty cheese secure, while angled stainless steel arms and silicone grips ensure safety. Compatible with standard toasters, it's durable, non-stick, dishwasher-safe, and effortless to clean, making it a must-have for anyone craving mess-free, melty, gourmet toasties at home. Start your day anywhere with the Nityk Solar Coffee Maker, a compact all-in-one brewing solution for coffee and tea lovers. With 20 bar pressure, it delivers rich espresso from capsules or ground coffee and supports tea brewing and water boiling. Powered by a 15,000 mAh swappable battery with USB-C fast charging and solar recharge, it also doubles as a power bank. Lightweight, airplane-safe, and portable, it makes up to 20 cups per charge. Adjustable temperature control ensures perfect brewing anywhere, camping, commuting, or working remotely. Make spreading butter effortless with the FlashSlice butter knife, designed to tackle even the hardest refrigerated blocks. With precision dual temp modes, 131 degrees Fahrenheit for slicing and 158 degrees Fahrenheit for melting, this knife heats in just 15 seconds. Its Namo ProTech Easy Clean blade resists sticking, while the safe, blunt edge prevents accidents. The stand-up base keeps your counter hygienic, and the rechargeable 2,500 mAh battery delivers up to 80 minutes of continuous use. Perfect for butter, honey, or chocolate, FlashSlice ensures smooth, even spreads every time, at home, camping, or on the go. Meet the imoo Watch Buds, the all-in-one smart audio companion that puts music, calls, and translation right on your wrist. With open-ear TWS earbuds that snap securely into the watch, you can enjoy premium sound quality, ENC call noise reduction, and a comfortable, adjustable ear clip design without a charging case. The watch offers a 5x21 dot matrix display, 64GB built-in storage, 5 sports modes, and AI real-time translation. Supporting Bluetooth 5.4 and featuring a 10mm dynamic driver, it keeps your music and calls seamless, stable, and phone-free wherever life takes you. Lifting multiple devices at once can clutter your desk and slow productivity. The Fongshwa digital display Gain charger is a high-power, all-in-one charging hub built for efficiency. With a total of 480-watt output, dual PD 140 watts and dual PD 100 watts ports, 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A, it powers laptops, tablets, smartphones, and accessories simultaneously. The multicolor LED display shows real-time power and load distribution. GaN technology ensures fast, safe, and stable charging worldwide, making it perfect for home, office, or travel, while reducing clutter and keeping all devices ready to go. Carrying a power bank that overheats or risks fire is a constant worry. The Movespeed safer solid-state battery is an all-in-one 10,000 mAh solution designed for maximum safety and convenience. With Qi 2.2 certification, 25-watt MagSafe, 45-watt wired charging, a built-in standing cable, and a smart LCD with temperature control, it delivers fast, stable power without risk of leakage, combustion, or explosion. Semi-solid-state construction ensures durability, cold resistance, and safer use during travel, commuting, or outdoor activities, making charging your devices effortless, reliable, and worry-free wherever you go. Overwhelmed by endless tasks and scattered calendars? The Ziea One AI Calendar is your GPT-5-powered AI planning assistant that brings planning and focus together in one hub. It syncs all calendars, manages to-do lists, and breaks big projects into manageable steps. With Deep Focus Mode, you avoid distractions, while the AI chatbots help schedule workouts, meals, and events automatically. Equipped with 160-watt fast charging, your devices stay ready. Perfect for staying organized, on time, and productive, Ziea transforms your daily routine into a seamless, stress-free workflow. Tired of unevenly heated meals on the go? The HeatWave Go Lunchbox is the world's first contactless far-infrared meal heater, delivering swift, uniform heating in just 15 minutes. Its 55 degrees Celsius golden temperature locks in freshness, moisture, and nutrients, keeping pasta tender and meat juicy. Powered by 50-watt high-efficiency technology with app monitoring and multiple safety protections, it ensures precise, worry-free operation. Perfect for commuting, office work, outdoor adventures, or camping, this infrared-powered lunchbox replaces microwaves, giving you hot, ready-to-eat meals anytime, anywhere, without the hassle or uneven heating. The WGP RePod Ultra reinvents how you use your Apple Watch Ultra, turning it from forgotten tech into a bold, everyday companion. Its titanium structure and precise design deliver a tactile, mechanical experience, letting you scroll, adjust volume, control games, and select options with satisfying feedback. RePod Ultra isn't just a case, it's an Apple Watch accessory that brings your watch back to life, making interactions fun and expressive again. The open-back design preserves magnetic charging, while its aerospace-grade frame ensures durability, style, and daily usability. The solar-powered smart audio cap lets you enjoy music, calls, and power from the sun without cables or constant charging. Its integrated flexible solar panel recharges the built-in battery while outdoors, supporting up to 50 hours of playback. Dual open-ear speakers deliver clear stereo sound, while a noise reduction microphone ensures crisp calls. Lightweight, breathable, and IPX5 water resistant, the cap is ideal for running, cycling, hiking, or commuting. With smart connectivity, USB-C fast charging, and a comfortable, adjustable fit, it combines solar power, audio, and convenience in one all-day wearable solution. Tired of juggling multiple chargers and messy cables? The Torras Tiniest all-in-one charger is a compact, powerful solution that charges your phone, Apple Watch, and more simultaneously. Its 45-degree angle dock keeps your watch visible while charging, and 4N magnetic force ensures a secure snap-and-go connection. Weighing just 85 grams, it fits in your pocket, while blazing fast Ziea charging and Torras ISON protection deliver safe, efficient power. Universal compatibility and flame-retardant construction make it perfect for travel, work, or home, keeping all your devices charged, organized, and ready wherever life takes you. That wraps up our list of the top 20 EDC gear items for 2026. Which of these cool gadgets are you adding to your pockets? Let me know in the comments. We respond to as many as we can. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more EDC reviews and tech unboxings. All the links to these must-have accessories are in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.